Hi, welcome back to Jason's How-Tos and Reviews. I'd shown in an earlier video how to install a Kwikset door knob set to an exterior door. Today I'm going to show you how to set the smart key so that it matches your current key, or if you're rekeying, how to make it match the new key. So here's the new doorknob that we installed last time. You can tell it's a smart key doorknob because of this little hole right next to where the key goes in. So the first thing that we're going to do is take the key that came included with the doorknob, which is this key here. We're going to put that in. We're going to keep the door open or make sure there's some other way that we can get into the house if we need to. And we're going to turn that 90 degrees clockwise. And then this little key, smart key that came with the doorknob, it's going to go all the way in to where it widens out there. So you've got to shove it quite a ways in there. Okay, then we're going to remove the smart key and this key while it's still at that 90-degree angle. And then this is the key that I want it to match. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in. And then I'm going to rotate it 180 degrees that other direction. So I'm going to rotate that 180 degrees counterclockwise and then back 90 degrees clockwise so that it's where we started. And then I'm going to remove that key. We're going to test the old key. We're going to take the key that came with the doorknob and place it in. Sure enough, it's not working there. So now let's test the new key. And it does work. Pretty simple. I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, I hope you'll consider liking this video to help other people find it and subscribing for more content. Thanks for watching.